Presenting my version of tortang talong.
Hello guys, this is Wilma's Kitchen. Today, magluto po tayo ng tortang talong. I-prepare muna natin ang ating dry ingredients. We have chili here, chili powder, cumin, turmeric powder, garlic powder, and salt. I also added ginger powder and 1 tablespoon of wheat flour and corn flour. Tapos guys, mag-add muna tayo ng kunting water. Hindi natin biglain. Tapos i-mix natin. Pag ganito siyang kalapot, pwede na siya. Tapos mag-add tayo ng 1 egg. Tapos mekos-mekos natin. Ayan guys, ready na po ang ating mixture. Tapos mag-cut tayo ng eggplant. Ganito ang cut ng eggplant, parang pamaypay. Tapos i-dip natin sa ating mixture. Make sure that equally coated yung eggplant natin. Ayan na guys, ready na siyang iprito. Tapos yung oil natin, dapat naka-high heat siya. Guys, pwede kang gumamit ng barbecue stick. Tapos i-scatter mo siya para equally ma-fry ang ating eggplant. Ayan guys, luto na po. Tingnan nyo po, oh, looks very crunchy. Now, we're frying our next batch. The same pa rin yung procedure guys. Dapat nakakoated lahat sa mixture natin. Tapos, i-scattered mo yung eggplant mo para ma-fry talaga siya kahit sa loob. Looks guys. See? Once mag-golden brown na siya, yan, luto na yan. Now, ready na po ang ating tortang talong. Ready to eat na po siya. Pwede kayong gumawa ng sasawan ng soy sauce with lemon or dito, gumawa lang ako ng ensaladang papaya. Very yummy guys. Guys, naririnig mo yung crunchiness niya? Super crunchy. Makasinggit yung kaani inighuman og lami aoy.
So yummy and crunchy and savory. Thank you for watching at Wilma's Kitchen. To eat more, cannot stop.